In this video, I'm going to show you how to change chart color in TradingView. So there's actually a few things you can change. Let me show you all of them. First, you want to either right-click anywhere on your chart and click on Settings, or you could also click on the Settings cogwheel here in the top right. Now, when you are in here, you have the symbol button over here and the canvas button over here. These are the main two we're going to be using, okay? Of course, you have different other ones as well. I'm just going to stick with canvas's symbol because this will allow you to change your symbol colors over here as well as your background color, and therefore of course change the color of the entire chart. So first we're going to go to symbols. If you go over here, you can change the colors of your symbols. Currently I am on, of course, these candles. If I would change to something else like line over here, as you can see, this is going to slightly change. However, of course, whatever type of chart you are on, you'll be able to change this, okay? Like bars look like this. If I go back to candles, which most of the people are going to be using probably, this is going to allow you to change the colors. So you can change the body, borders, and wicks. If I go over here and change this, for example, to like light yellow over here, and I'm going to do this for all of them right now. There we go, this, and then I'm going to do it for this one as well. And then if I actually make these like blue over here, you'll be able to see that it's going to actually change my candles like this, okay? Which is quite nice. But then you can also change the chart background color. So you can go to canvas over here, and you can see over here it says background. You can make it a solid color, which you can pick over here. If I do like a slight pink over here, as you can see, I've changed the color. Or what you could also do is change the gradient, and then of course change the gradient you want to use. So we could go like from gray to, for example, I don't know, pink, and there we go. That's the chart we now got, okay? You can change the crosshair color as well. So I'm going to make it green right now. You can make it like light blue if you want to. You can make it whatever you want, and then you have different scales over here. You have different like navigations, lines, etc. Okay, so that's how to change chart color in TradingView. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.